I'm done. The fact that my iPhone X just recognized this face. I'm ugly, certified tick. Hi. What? Ow! Okay, sorry about that. Hello, everybody. Why did I say that so weirdly? Excusez-moi. What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Basically, instead of a normal makeup tutorial, and spreading the products I love and positivity, I'm going to do a video of negativity. Yeah! I'm joking. Today, I'm going to do a full face of products that I'm throwing out. However, before you run and jump to any conclusions, let me just clear my name. These products aren't necessarily products I hate. These products aren't necessarily products I even dislike. Some of these products some of these products I actually love. It's a mixture of things why these products are in this video. And I'm not throwing them out. Like, I'm literally not like picking them up and putting them in a bin bag. I always give like unused and unwanted makeup to friends and family, stuff like that, and in giveaways, but obviously this stuff's used, so I can't do giveaways with it. It's just stuff which I no longer want to possess. That's said in a... Let's get on into it. Let's just pray first. Sephora. This is gonna be a really difficult one to get through. I need Jesus and some strength. Alrighty then. We're not starting off to a great start. For my eyebrows, it's actually a product I've never tried before. And you could be like, wow, Lewis. Really, wow. You never tried a makeup product before and you just want to throw it out? Exposed. What? B-brow bar. B-boop-boop-bop. What were you thinking? What was going through the executive or whoever makes the product's mind when they thought of this? This is like a little, first of all, it makes a really satisfying sound. Ay, ay. It reminds me of like, la cucaracha, la cucaracha. Es un día de fiesta, ya es toda una mujer. It's like a little powder thing, but look at the applicator. What is that? Like, actually, what is that? Let's attempt to create somewhat of a brow with this. Wish me luck. Anything actually going onto my eyebrow? Boobity bop, maybe I judged you too soon. I actually have a brow gel from here which I really like. Spoke too soon, didn't I? Holy shit! It's taken a lot of power in me right now to not scream and shout and swear. What the hell? There is no precision with this. If you just want something to like maybe just like fluff your brows up a bit, maybe this could be your thing. But if you want like a nice sharp brow, honey, put this down. Put it down. Back it up. Fuck it up. It's giving my brows like a fuzzy look. I don't know if that makes sense. Wow. I'm sorry, but BB Bulbap, you are going to be getting a lawsuit for this product. I can't do much else than this. I really am just going to leave it at that because I'm scared if I do anything else, they're just going to grow bigger and fuzzy and bushier. And that is no... Shit, I think I just ran over an eyeshadow palette. Oh, I'm going to prime my eyes. So just excuse them while I do that because I'm just going to use the concealer that I'm using later. And I don't want to spoil any surprises. I'm a very secretive person. My personal life is private. Oh my god, I really need a pee, but I cannot be bothered to leave this set up right now, so you're gonna just have to hold it in. Good luck, Charlie. I'm gonna try and put a little bit of concealer around that eyebrow as well, because Lord alone knows that these brows need all the help that they can get. My eyeshadow palette, controversial. The Kylie Cosmetics, which one is? She literally released about like 27 and a half, so it's hard to keep up. The bronze palette. This is the first ever palette she actually released. Now, listen here, Kylie, if you're watching this, I'm sure she is. She is an avid fan of mine, obviously. Kylie, there is nothing wrong with this palette. The shades are nice. It's a beautiful selection of shades. You've got lights, darks, shimmers, mattes, transitions. You know, it's great. It's really great. But I have used this twice since I bought this. And I bought this in the summer of 2016. There we go, that is the truth tea on why I'm giving this away. The shade range in this is just so, it's not basic, but I mean, it is basic. I have literally about like 6 other palettes with this exact shade range. At the time this was released, this was the trend and what everyone was releasing, but I just don't use it, and I feel like there are so many other people who could use this better. So yeah, no tea here, Kylie. We're still besties, you know, we're still going shopping and for lunch tomorrow. I just don't use this palette. Like, there's no point of me keeping it. I'm gonna take this middle shade first. Okay, all of a sudden I can't hear out of one ear. Am I dying? No, I'm actually being serious. What the hell? Hello, hello, hello. Going in with this orangey shade. You see, there is truly nothing wrong with this palette. Like, this palette is not a palette I hate or even dislike. I like the palette. You know what, Kylie? I'm gonna say it. I like the palette. I'm next going in with the shade next to it. This one right here. Up in the crease. The crease. What's that thing that, actually, did the Kardashians do it? I think it's Cardi B. I feel like the Kardashians like started it. It's like, oh, the crease. I can't do it on that. The crease. I sound Scottish or something. Do I sound Scottish? I don't know. What does a Scottish person sound like? This is weird. This is getting really weird. We need to concentrate on the makeup. You know what I mean? Like, these shadows ain't half bad, and I'm sure someone else is gonna have a fabuloso time with this palette. I'm sorry that you can't really see like what I'm doing on my eyes, but you know, it's not a tutorial, so back off, haters. I'm sick of it. Seriously, it's getting too much. Looking kind of crazy, but I'm gonna go in with a shimmer shade now. I am gonna go in with the top row middle shade here, right here, over here, guys. And I'm gonna spritz my brush. The shimmer's okay. Like, it's not jaw-dropping amazing, but it's not like pigmentation who? And you know, this look is like a nice, soft, glam, basic, subtle look. But at the same time, I could literally recreate this with any other palette I have. Ah, I forgot that I had these eyebrows on and I've just noticed them. Thanks, Miss Kylie. Moving on. These lashes. These lashes. I don't know what my past self was thinking. These are the velour fluff and thick lashes, and don't get me wrong, I have nothing against velour lashes. The quality of the lashes are beautiful, but these used to be my favorite lashes in like 2016. I would wear them with every single makeup look. Why? Aha! Charlotte from Charlotte Web School, she wants your spiders back from your eyelashes. Anyway, this one seems different to this one. I don't know how I'd cut this one in the past, but I personally think I look really cute and really, bad and bougie. Going on to my face for primer, I'm actually Benefit Professional. Now, I don't hate this. The product is there to minimize the appearance of pores. And sweetie, I don't really have pores. Not trying to brag, I'm really not trying to boast. I really don't want you guys to think I'm big-headed. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, it is useless because wow, I almost just died. My life flashed before my eyes right there. I like a glowy kind of primer, and this isn't. So I would rather give it to one of my crusty friends. Yeah, no shade to Benefit. It is actually a great product if you have big pores. I do love how it feels on my skin though. Like, it feels so silky. Alright, then moving on. This foundation I love. Really, honestly, truly, hand on my heart. Amen! This formula is 10 out of 10, especially as it's from the drugstore. It's the Sleek Life Proof Foundation by best drugstore foundation ever if you're looking for like a full coverage one. However, I went to the launch event of this because yes, I am an A-list celeb hanging with Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez, and they like shade matched me there. I don't know if the person who was shade matching me had like a little hair or piece of fluff in their eye. This is not my shade. I have now gone out and actually bought my correct shade of this foundation because I do like the formula. Oh, wowza. Wowza Rooney. It's not even like, oh, I can save that for when I'm tanned. Like, I have never been that dark in my entire life. Okay, why does this actually not look that bad now it's on me? Okay, wow, kind of confused. I'm kind of really confused right now because the shade isn't actually that bad. Oh Lord, I thought I were dead. Sweet daddy. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not actually that bad. I just look like a little tan. And I'm not gonna bother blending it onto my neck or my ears because there is no point. I'm literally taking this off as soon as I'm done. Thank you very much. Moving on. I just looked like without the studio lights. Let me switch them off. Do you see how bad it is? Wow. This concealer, be sat down and be prepared because you may be shocked by this. It's Tarte Shape Tape. Now hold up, let me finish. I don't hate this product at all. They sent it to me and they sent me the complete wrong shade. It's actually probably gonna match yeah, like it matches this foundation, but as we have already previously discussed, this foundation is not my shade. So along with the foundation, the concealer is going to be given to a friend whose like skin tone it would actually suit, which is not me. People are going to be like, it's my favorite concealer ever. Okay, at the moment, I'm not actually looking that bad. I literally just look like 2-year-old me. Side by side comparison. It's not this product in particular, it's just cream contour in general. I don't have a brush for this, hold the phone. I don't use cream contour, I just think it's a waste of time. So this was just the first cream contour product that I literally saw in my drawers. Oh my god, I haven't like done this for so long, I've kind of forgotten what the hell I do. That feels wrong. I'm gonna need to call like a hotline or something. Ring ring ring, hello, how the fadoodle do you cream contour? Thank you, bye. Like, I don't hate the product, but I'm never gonna use it, and there's people who will use it, so... Okay, now for powder, bronzing, bake, whatever the heck you wanna call it. I've got 2 loose powders. Both are equally shite, to be honest. They're just pure shite. I'm gonna use one on one half of my face and the other on the other. The first is the NYX finishing powder, and the other is the Rimmel Match Perfection. Okay, let's calm down. We don't want to cause an earthquake. Both of these powders will not leave your goddamn face. First, we're going to go in with the NYX one. Do one in my mouth. What? I literally feel like I'm being contaminated with toxins right now, and it's not okay. I'm suing NYX. Time for my other face. Other face? Sweetie, you only have one. Jokes. Just wait until you get to know me, and you'll see I'm two-faced. That is a joke. Yes, come through, flashback. And now, we wait. Oh my god, I have the new iPhone X. Let's see if it's gonna facial recognize me with all this stuff on. Ah, it recognized me! Ooh, do I really look this ugly normally? I'm freaking hungry, I'm not gonna lie here. I feel so ugly right now as I scroll through Instagram. Sweet daddy! Oh my god, how do I make this stop? How do I make this stop? Okay, well that is enough self-confidence destroying for the day. Let's try and wipe this bake off. Wowee, guys. The Rimmel one actually wasn't that bad, but NYX Sweetie, the door's over there. For bronzer, I'm taking this one from MAC. It's Give Me Sun. It's like all of these like beautifully tanned beauty guru goddess. Can't speak. Goddess's like favorite bronzers, and me being me like 2 years ago, I was like, wow, oh my god, they use it, I need it in my life, to realize, bitch, it's not your color. You are not beautifully tanned like these people. You are a pale pasty mess. So it's just very orangey on me. I mean, I can work with it. I'm just putting it on right now super lightly. I never reach for it because I've got bronzers which are more my shades and stuff. But if you are like a beautiful tanned goddess, first of all, jealous, and second of all, you might like this because the formula is actually quite nice. Thank you very much. I don't usually use blusher as it is, so me having this blush in my collection is ridiculous. First of all, it's a little broken. She's a little busted, like my self-confidence. So to clarify, I was sent this. I did not buy this. When in God's name am I ever going to use this? Spoiler alert, never. You know, there are so many people who are so creative with their makeup looks, and that's just not me. It's not me. I have some friends who do amazing looks and they can have this, and I'm sure they will incorporate it, whether it's on their eyes or their cheek. Anywho, it's the name of the game. Let's put it on my face. Okay, sweaties, get ready. I'm literally just applying it how I would a normal. Beautiful! Krusty the Clown was found shaking and dead. I look like one of those weird like Russian dolls. That is a thing, right? I've not just had like nightmares about that. Highlighter. Already talked about this in a video before. Nothing wrong with this formula whatsoever. The formula is amazing, but I only will ever in my life use one shade. That is the shade Lucky Clover, bottom middle. It's actually a really nice shade. However, for me, as I said, I'm a basic, boring bitch, and I just do natural makeup. So, for someone like me, this palette is absolutely useless and wasted on. When the hell am I ever gonna use the purple highlight? Because I'm not. Like, sweetie, put the phone down. You don't need to call up and vote. The answer is I'm not. But for one last time, please welcome the purple highlighter. Wow, sweaty. Champagne pop was found quaking. Guys, I don't want you guys to lie. Like, do I look cute? Like, I'm not fishing for compliments right now, I promise. I just feel really cute right now. But be honest, guys, and if I look... What is this? What the hell is each to their own? I mean, people probably put this on in better ways than I just did, but I just put it on as I normally would put on a highlight. Getting back to the Kylie palette, Miss Kylie Pregnant Jenner. Oh, she's not pregnant anymore. Ow! Kind of smushed it a little bit too far, but you know, that really is not the main problem of this look. Mascara. Okay, enough of that. The Collection Color Lash. I could have picked literally any mascara. I have about 20 mascaras and I use about 3 of them. If you guys want to see a clear out video of makeup, let me know. I'd like to actually definitely do that because I need to clear it out and it would make me clear my makeup out. I mean, it is £2, so you know, we love a bargain. I mean, for £2, it's not awful, but I don't need it in my life. Do you know what I mean? So for lips, I just took this beautiful, bright red color. Nothing wrong with this formula. Oh, I had a little voice crack. Hello! Nothing wrong with this formula. It's actually an okay formula, but this shade, it is actually the same color as that concealer that we use. Like, not even over-exaggerating. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know if you guys recreate it. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Again, no hate to any of these brands. They're not all products that I hate. If you guys want to see another one of these, there is a lot of makeup in my collection that I could throw out. And I'll see you guys very soon for a brand new video.